Welcome to SumTime 2. Today we're working with page 34. And now we're going to talk about mental arithmetic 2. That's doing sums in your head. But first of all, I have to tell you one or two things. Look at the first sum. 3 plus 8 equals 11. Now 3 and 8 are called addends. Addends are numbers that are added together. I'm only telling you this just in case somebody asks you. As long as you know that 3 plus 8 equals 11, that's the most important thing. Just as in 6 plus 2 equals 8, 6 and 2 are addends because they're added together. Our basic numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, all other numbers are made from a combination of these numbers. Whatever number you can think of has to be a combination of these 10 numbers. 1 and 8, 18, is a 1 and an 8. 136, 136, is a 1, a 3, and a 6. You may remember that once upon a time we talked about place values, and we'll be talking about them again. Now, when you're adding and subtracting, you will find it extremely useful to be able to add and subtract the basic 10 numbers or digits in your head without even pausing to think. Once you can do this, mathematics becomes much easier. One thing about mathematics is that it's always reliable. Once you know the rules, you're home and dry. It's easy. Let me explain that. You should be able, in your head, to tell me 4 and 6, 10. Are you ready? I'm going to say 2 addends, and you're going to tell me the answer. Are you ready? 2 and 4, 6. 3 and 3, 6. 8 and 1, 9. 3 and 2, 5. You can play this game with your friends. You can play all day just to make sure you can add up in your head. Just don't make them too difficult, eh? Now then, let's go on. Next we're going to talk about patterns and symmetry. And we're not going to talk too much about this, but when you're doing mathematics, slowly but surely you'll learn that there's always a pattern or symmetry. Let me explain what patterns are, what symmetry is. If you draw a line down the middle of your face, you will see that your face is almost symmetrical. That means one side is the same as the other. Each side has an eye, an ear, a cheek. Half your nose is on one side, half is on the other. And the same thing is true of your mouth. So each side is the same as the other side. Now when you're doing your maths, sometimes it's useful to visualize a picture. If you look at the charts in the next column, maybe you'll see that there's some symmetry. Let me explain a little bit. Look at the first one. In the first row you have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if you go down into the chart, you'll see that 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 5. They make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at it and try and find the symmetry. That's all for today. Bye.